Okay, so here I have Edpuzzle, which is designed to make YouTube videos and such more interactive. Here you can see I put a question in the middle of this video, which is the correct spelling mouse or mouse. Students would be able to choose. Okay, and then I can assign video. I haven't added a class, but I could add my class, use any of these LMS systems. Okay, this can make watching YouTube videos more interactive for students. And it also has a way for them to prevent skipping parts of the video. I can turn on closed captioning, and I can also cut out parts of the video. So I think this would be very useful for making YouTube videos more active for students, which I really like. So I would definitely consider using this next time I show a YouTube video for my students. That way they can be more interactive instead of me just pausing the video and asking questions or doing a think, pair, share, things like that. Okay, it would spice up our YouTube videos. And as far as ISTE standards, I am facilitating learning with technology to support their achievement. That's standard 2.6. I help students take ownership of their learning so they are more active when they watch YouTube videos instead of being passive. They're a little bit more active thinking through the video. And as an education leader, these two standards that I use is standard 3.3, where I create a culture where my fellow teachers and my students can use technology to improve their learning. So it's not just watching a YouTube video anymore. They have to think through what they're watching, and they can be a little bit more independent when they learn.